Okay, good morning, Miss Susie and friend. Good to see you all here. Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Vigodian Stadharma. I'm college student from Unika Sugito Pranata. So today I'm gonna presenting you all about mass communication. So what is mass communication? Mass communication is the process of imparting, exchanging information through mass media to a large segment of the population. Nah, it is usually understood for relating to various forms of an advertising or part. So, Miss Susie and friend, are you all have been doing a mass communication? If you had been doing a broadcasting or advertising uh, in social media like paid promote, it's already included in mass communication. So in this presentation, I'm gonna tell you all what is mass communication and the type of mass communication. So the type of mass communication for me, the easiest is public relation, journalism, and then photography and video games. It's easy because we do this every day. Like we playing video games every day, and then we communicate to other every day, and then watch journalists in the news in television every day. And then the first is public relation. Okay, so PR or public relation differs from advertising in that less obtrusive and aim at providing a more comprehensive opinion to a large audience in order to shape public opinion. So, in public relation, we talk to many people about our opinion, and that's one kind of mass communication, because mass communication is communication in media social, and there is so many people watch and also communicate in mass communication. And then secondly is journalism. Okay, why was journalism? Because journalism is the production and the distribution of report on event for presentation through the media. So when you open social media like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter, there is so many uh, journalists that tweet in Twitter about their opinion, and that was included in mass communication too, because it's on social media. Now, the study of journalism involves analyzing the dissemination of information to the public through media outlets such as newspaper, news channel, radio station, television station, and more. Recently, there is many people that using social media using smartphone, and then the alternative of journalism is deviates from established or dominant types of media in terms of their content, production, and distribution. So what I tell in the first one was, there is so many journalism that tweet or post their opinion in social media, and it's types of media in terms of their content production and distribution. And then next one is the third is photography. Why I choose photography in the third one? Because uh, in our class there is a course called basic photography course. So uh, photography also a mass communication because photography plays a role in the field of technology and mass communication by demonstrating fact or reinforcing ideas. So when there is people like journalists or people that advertising their brand, they always use photography to give the fact about the news or about the brand. Yeah. Although the photos are altered digitally, it's still considered a proof to expose and communication. Why there is a photo are altered digitally? Because now right now there is so many application like editing application that can uh, change a photos. But right now it is still considered that photography can prove a fact to expose and communication. And then the fourth one is video games. Yes, video games is also a mass communication, guys. Why is video game is a mass communication? I think most of you has been playing video games. I playing video games too, and video games genres are a classification assigned to video game based on its gameplay rather than a visual or storytelling differences. So, uh, like in video games called Assassin's Creed, there is a story that uh, people that from America was the strongest people, and that was mass communication because there is so many player that doesn't live in America, and then they thought that when you were American, you always become the strongest guys in everywhere. And then video game genre is defined by a set of gameplay challenges and are classified independently of when and where the game take place. It's like Assassin's Creed 2. It's take place in like 19th century when uh, in America black people was get racism, and yeah, there is so many people was realize that uh, racism is bad, and uh, now they try to lift up the black race like Black Lives Matter. And then wait, next one. Okay, that was the last one because it's already four. The four. Wait, next one is okay. The last slide, but yeah, if there is sum up the main point, I think that mass communication it's a communication that using a media social to exchange information to others. We all can do this communication through our electronic home media like phone, computer, and the others. This communication can be a public communication because we transmitting our information to many receiver. Mass communication can grow up or evolve depends the current technology development and yeah, development of technology right now it's growing up so fast. So we might doing a mass communication right now. Even right now with my presentation, people can record it and share the video to social media like Twitter, Instagram, or WhatsApp. And you all can do it right now, and you are now doing the mass communication. So that was the conclusion. Before I go opening up this question, I'd like to emphasize how important it is for you to remember that we should be careful when we doing a mass communication in media social because people can get it wrong about us. Uh, so when you're doing a mass communication, make sure you didn't hurt people feeling with your word and never talk about your privacy thing in mass media because it's all encrypted. Okay, so are there is any question? If there is no question, I'd like to thank you to Miss Susie and friend for the attention and your participation. Thank you.